Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert XRP to USDT in Binance. Visit the Binance website and log into your account. After that, hover over Trade in the top menu and click on Spot. In the search bar at the top, type XRP/USDT. Select the XRP/USDT trading pair from the list of results. This opens the trading interface for XRP and USDT. You will have several order options. You can use market order, which is the fastest way to exchange XRP for USDT. You can also use limit order. Set a specific price at which you want to exchange XRP for USDT. After that, enter the amount of XRP you want to convert. If you are using market order, the transaction will be processed immediately after clicking Buy XRP. If you are using a limit order, your order will be placed and you will need to wait for it to be filled when the market reaches your price. After the order is complete, go to your wallet section to check your updated balance. So that is how you can convert XRP to USDT in Binance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.